Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to change username on Picsart. To change your username on Picsart is a super easy process, so here is how it can be done. First of all, open up your Picsart application on your mobile device and sign into your account. After signing into the account, from the home page, click on the human icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, click on Edit Profile and go to Username tab. Erase your current username and type in a new username you want to change to. Click on Done and remember that you should keep your username unique. After tapping on Done, you will be able to change your username, but make sure that you have a unique username since two people cannot have the same username. That is how you will be able to change your username on Picsart. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.